Yeah, guys, any ideas? Yeah, this is I value or J value. Yesterday I told you this I or J value. This I J value, right? These are J values. Yeah, but stars and J values. We are not printing stars. We are not printing J values. Both we are printing at a time. Yeah, is it possible, guys? How to write this? How do you generate output? Yeah, guys, see once how to generate this output. For example, I values in this row. For example, what are the I values in this row? One, 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 right? These are six ones, right? J values, for example, if you take J values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are J values. This position, last position, we have to print. Last position only we have to print number. J value you have to print. This is J, right? In this position, remaining values are stars we have to print. What is the we prepare one condition for this? 2, it is 2, 2, and 2, and 2, 2. This is second values, 2 value, right? Again, J values are same. Are you following us? Guys, can you make any relation? This is I value, this is I value, this is J value. Okay, now? Yeah, next value, what is the next value? In these two locations, we have to print a number, J value. Okay. Again, when it comes to 3, this 3, 3, 3, right? This is I value, you know, right? Yeah, this value is how much, guys? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, for example, I plus J, guys. If I add I plus J, what is I plus J, guys? I want to add I plus J. See this. Can you make any relation between this? This is a normal pattern, right? First pattern only, guys. See, first pattern is what? First pattern only, right? This n rows and columns. No need of changing I and j values. I is 1, I less than n. J is 1, j less than n. No need to change the loop. Are you following, guys? Same loop. I is 1, I less than n. J is 1, j less than n. This is the same. J less than or equals to n. I less than or equals to n. Okay, no need to change that loop. But here whatever the content you are printing, that is different, guys. Now I plus j values, first see, I will print this pattern. From this pattern I will change those values. See once. Now what are we are going to write? See once, what are the values is required? I will take n value, guys, I value and j value, right? Yeah, enter n value, guys. How to enter n value? See this, slash and enter n value. How to enter n value? Scanf, we take scanf like this. Scanf, see this, percentile address of n. Yeah, for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to n, I plus plus. Yeah, for j equals to 1, right? J equals to 1, j less than or equals to n, j plus plus. Okay. Yeah, see this. Yeah, what we are going to print? For example, see, now first stars printing I will write, guys. See this. If I write a stars, just all stars will be printed, right? Pattern same, right? The content whatever we are printing, that is different. We'll change that. See once, guys. Now I am going to write this first pattern only I have written, right? If I enter 6, 6 rows, 6 columns. If I enter 10, 10 rows, 10 columns. But you don't want this. Here, sometimes stars you have to print, sometimes this value you have to print. Now see, guys, this is I is 1, this is also 1. Okay. Now how can you make a 1 no 1? This is right, 2 2. That there is no any difference, right? How can you make a relation? For example, this is a this value, right? But this is not correct, right? I less than j or j less than a, it is not satisfying. First, I will add these two values, guys. Can I add? Can I make any relation between I plus j? I will take take I plus j, guys. This is a 1 and 1. It's a what? 1 and 1 is how much? 2, right? Next value 1 plus 2. It's a 3. Next value you are going to add 1 plus 2, 3. Clear? This is I value, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. Next value, guys. See this. This is a 1 no 1. This is 1 1. It's a 2, right? This is I plus j. This is a 1 2 3. It is 3. Okay. Next value is how much? 4. Next 5 6 7. Right? Next 7, guys. Right? Yeah, guys. See once. This is ij value. This is what? This is 2. 1 no 1 2. Right? Are you following, guys? This is 3. Next one is 2 1. I plus j. 1 plus 3. This position is 4. Now 1 plus 4 5. 1 plus 5 6. Last position 7. Can I make a relation I plus j with I plus j? Yes, we can make a relation I plus j. What is I plus j? 7, right? N is 6. It's a 7. Are you following, guys? It's a 7. 7 is greater than I plus j. 7 is greater than, right? Sorry, 7 is greater than, what is 7? I plus j. I plus j is greater than 6. N is almost 6, right? Then which value you have to print? Last position. You are getting last position, right? What is the last position? In this position 7. What is n value? 6. This position. And when it comes to second position, check the second position, guys. This is 2. It's a 1 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now this next one, guys. 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now so what? This is 7. This is 7. This is 7 8 7 8 9. Okay, so I understood, right? This position 7 8 9. What is 7 8? 7 8 are greater than 6. Now 7 8 9 are this position, right? Yeah, what I can write? I plus j. I plus j is greater than n. Print j value. This j value, right? I will write a see this logic, guys. If I plus j greater than n, then what I have to print? Print a j value. Now I can print a j value. Yes, I have given space, right? Percentile d space j value. Yes, print a star. Now see this, guys. Now we are printing star. You understood the relation. Now once check it, guys. 6. Same output. Can I enter 10? Yes. Can I enter 10? If we don't want this message, for example, I will remove, guys. I don't want this. If I enter 6, see, you can see the output 6. If I enter 10, 15, can I enter 15? That, but it disturbs that if you enter 2 digits. Okay, no? Clear, guys? Yeah, write this pattern, write this output. Yeah, j greater than n minus I. Yeah, I plus j greater than n also, same logic. Yeah, completed, huh, guys. Next program. Yeah, inverse means power. Yeah, we try one more. See this. Now I want like this. For example, second I want this, guys. 1 star 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 5 stars. Now I want output 1 2 star star star, guys. 1 2 3 star star star. 1 2 3 4 star star, and 1 2 3 4 5 star, and 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is output expecting. Yeah, guys, how to write this? Guys, can you write any logic for this? Try, guys. For example, in this case, I want this output. I j values I will write, guys. What are the I values? You know, right? Is a 1. I value is 1 1 1, right? J value is what? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is j values and this is I values. You know, right? This is I values and it is j value. Can you write any relation, right, between these two, right? This is I value, guys. This is j value. Yeah, guys. Then how to write this? Just 1 plus 1. Can I make any relation? This step is what, guys? Right? So what we are writing here? 1, right? Yeah. Can I make any condition to bring this kind of pattern? What I have to write, guys? This is I value. It's a 1. It's a 1. Then 1 only you have to print. Next, this is 2, right? J value. J is greater than J, right? J values. J is greater than I. Print stars. Simple logic, right? 2. 2 is greater than 1. Print star. 3. 3 is greater than 1. Print star. 4 is greater than 1. Print star. 5 is greater than 1. Print star. 6 is greater than 1. Print star. Okay, now J greater than I. Print star. Are you following us? Next one. Yes, Shashidhar. Are you understanding now? Still disturbance? Yeah, guys. See once. J greater than I, print a star. J greater than I, print star. Yeah, guys. How to write here? Simple logic. Just what you have to write. J greater than I, print star. J greater than I, print star. Otherwise, print J. Now we are going to print J value. Else, percentage is J. Simple logic. Just understand what you have to write. That's all, guys. Enter 6, guys. If I enter 6, so one same output, right? Expected 1 5 stars, 1 2 4 stars, 1 2 3 3 stars, like this. Can I enter any number? Yes, we can enter 9. If I enter 1 8 stars, 1 2 7 stars, like this it generates. Okay, now? Yeah, guys, write this output also. The second one, guys. Next, different, we give another one, guys. Pawan, sir, for square of stars, what is mean by square of stars? How do you want pattern? Yeah, we write one by one, Pawan. What you want, I will ask you. Okay, then you can tell. Okay. Guys, next one is what? See, you okay, guys? Next one, I want to write a pyramid pattern, guys. Pyramid pattern. For example, what is pyramid pattern? This one I want, guys. For example, if n is 5, I want this pattern. What is the pattern, guys? One star. Right? See this. I want pattern format. This one. This is a 5 stars again. 1 star, 3 stars. Right? 5 stars, 7 stars, 9 stars. Okay, 1 3 5 7 9 stars. Okay, if n is 5, guys, if n is 5. Now how many rows, how many columns you want? First I will tell you, guys. In the first row, this is the first row, right? First, how many rows you want? I will write the first how many rows you want. See this, guys, how to write this logic. I equals to 1. How many rows, guys? If I enter 5 rows, 5 you want, guys, 5 rows. I plus plus, no change, right? This I is 1, I less than or equals to 5, or n, I plus plus. It's okay, right? I is n. Can I write a n? Yes, I less than or equals to n. N rows you want, 5 rows you want. But columns, how many you want, guys? If it is I is 1, see this. If I is 1, j is how much? This rows columns is 1. Okay. Now for example, if I is 2, this is I second row, guys. How many patterns? 3 columns you want. If I is 3, yeah, what is how many columns? 5 columns. If I is 4, now how many columns, guys? 7 columns you want. If I is 5, then how many columns, guys? 9 columns you want. 1 means 1 column. If 2 means, right? Correct? Huh? If I is 1, 1 column. If 2 means 3 columns. 3 means 5 columns. If 4 means 7 columns. If 5 means 9 columns. Okay, now then what you have to write, guys? How many columns this is? 2 into I plus 1. Yes or no? This is 2 into I plus 1 or I minus 1? I minus 1. Yes, 2 into I minus 1 columns you want. N rows, j less than or equals to 2 into n minus 1 columns. Yes, Tashidhar. Yeah, how to write this? See, clear ideas? Yeah, for j equals to 1, j less than or equals to 2 into I minus 1. J into 2, j less than 2 into I minus 1, j plus plus. Then how many rows are? How many columns it generate? Depends upon I value, columns it generate. If I is 1, 1 column. If I is 2, 3 columns. If I is 3, 5 columns. If I is 4, 4. You understood, right? For example, I is 1. 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 minus 1 is how much? 1 time this loop will execute. 5 is 2, guys. If second row, 2 into I minus 1. 2 into I means 2 into 2. 4 minus 1. 3 times. For example, if I is 3. 2 into 3. 6 minus 1. 5 columns. 4. Next fourth row. 2 into I minus 1. 8 minus 1. 7 columns. 2 into 5. 10 minus 1. 9 columns it generates. Printf of, see this. Now we write a just, but this is not pattern. If you write like this, what happens, guys? If I write a stars, for example, write this pattern, what we'll get? You won't get our pattern, guys. What we'll get? See this. For example, if you write like this, same, our output will be displayed like this. How many? One star, right? Next to what we'll get? This star, three stars, five stars, right? Now we'll get the output like this. Seven stars, next nine stars. Will get this output, guys. But this is not expected, right? This is not expected. This is not our output. What is the expected output? First I will show you. For example, if you write I is 1 star, 3 stars, 5 stars, 7 star, 9 star, but expected is not this. Okay, how to write that one I will show you guys. See once how I am going to write I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, j equals to 1, j less than or equals to 2 into I minus 1. Listen carefully, guys. J plus plus, just we have to print a star only. I'm going to print a star. Print star, guys. Don't use slash and okay, there are spaces. Is understood, right? I want to write this. If I enter 5, see this, guys. 1 3 1 3 5 7 9. But here spaces also, don't give us spaces here. No, I don't want spaces. If I enter 5, guys, 1 3 5 7 9. But here what is the difference for this one and this one? For this one and this one, you got this here, because here you have get a spaces, guys. How many spaces? Four spaces first, right? First four spaces, three spaces, two spaces, one space. Now I'll give a four spaces. Give four spaces. One, two, three, four. Okay, na? For these three spaces, guys. One, two, three spaces. For two spaces. One, two spaces. For one space. See this. You got the same output or not? First four spaces you have to give. Three spaces, two spaces, one space. Spaces is how much? Now, first n minus 1. Why n minus 1? 5, right? Four spaces should come. N is 5, four spaces, three spaces, two spaces. For space also I will write a logic, guys. Before printing star, give spaces. How many spaces? N minus 1 spaces. Next one, n minus 2 spaces, n minus 3 spaces, n minus 4 spaces. Like that I want to spaces. Now see, guys, space logic I will write. Space logic. Spaces logic. Listen carefully. Spaces logic. How to write a spaces logic, guys? For k equals to 1. What is space? Can I take a space one more variable? Yes. Take a space variable, guys. Space. What is space, guys? N minus 1. Can I take space equals to n minus 1? Yes. N minus 1 spaces I have taken. K equals to 1, guys. See this. How to write k less than or equals to spaces? How many spaces? N minus 1. K plus plus. Okay, how many spaces it generates? Now see this. Printf, I am giving a space, guys. Give a space. Now see the output, guys. If I enter 5 spaces, what is the error? K is undefined symbol. IJK. Okay, now run one, guys. 5. See this? We got output. No, right? Because 10 spaces you are getting. 10 next 9 spaces should come. 8 spaces, but 10 equal spaces you are getting. Every time spaces should decrement, right? That is why now what I will write. This is spaces I should decrement. How to decrement spaces? See, guys, spaces minus minus, space minus minus. Okay, now see this, space minus minus I have to write. Once execute, guys. If I enter 5, see this, 5 spaces. Got it? Pyramid pattern, guys. If I enter 10, this is a pyramid pattern. Yeah, 9 spaces, 8 spaces, 7 spaces, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 space. That's all. If I enter 20, guys, see this? Enter 20, 19 spaces, 18 spaces, like this pyramid pattern you'll get. Got it, guys? Yeah, write this pattern. Got it, guys? You understood, right? Does it give Sai Puneet? Yeah, then you can follow that. Yeah, next one, guys. Completed, huh? Yeah, if completed, guys, next pattern I will give same pattern but different way of right output. I will show you now. Yeah, guys, next one. Yeah, I want output of this, guys. Next one, see this. Yeah, Jolakanti Deepak. Yeah, next one, guys. See the patterns. I want to generate a next one. See this. Yeah, this one, guys. N equals to 4. Right? This last pattern, guys. I want to generate this. Same pattern, right? A, B, A, but A, B, C, B, A. How to generate this? I will show you. Same pattern program, guys. I will tell you this. Then how to write. With the characters, I will tell you one program. With characters. Yeah, next one, guys. This one, right? You wrote right. Then what you have to print? The same pattern, but you should not print your star, guys. Right? What you have to print? Take character ch. Now I want to take ch, guys. What is ch? What you have to print? Right? Every line you have to print from a, right? See this ch I have taken while printing. Can I print a ch value? What is ch? Now I'll take a while printing stars before logic. See this. I'll take a space logic. You understood, right? Now ch equals to what I want to write, guys. A. What is a, guys? Now I will try to print instead of star. I'm not changing anything, guys. Percentile c. Change the percentile c. Ch plus plus. Now I want to write CH plus plus. What is CH plus plus, guys? CH value will be incremented like this. See A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, right? But pattern is same, right? Pattern is same, but it is not showing exact output. What is exact output here? A, B, A. Off times C once. You can check it. Off times it is incrementing. Off times it is decrementing. A, B, C, B, A again. A, B, C, more than half means less than or equals to half, it is executing. A, B, A, B, C, B, A, B, C, D, B, C, B, A. Three times it is incrementing, guys. Okay, two times it is decrement. Nothing but four times it is incrementing, three times decrement. Here, half times means what? Here, half times should increment, CH plus plus, half times should decrement. What I can write? Half means what? This is 2 less than or equals to I plus 1. For example, previously we have written half means uh, this is one means no increments here. Three times means two times you have to increment. Yes or no? Two times. Here three times has to increment. Here four times has to increment. Here five times has to increment. Here two less than or equals to I minus one means less than or equals to I times, right? This is what is two less than or equals, for example, four. I times four times here two times has to increment. Two times means I times has to increment. 5 means 3 times has to increment. 7 means 4 times has to increment. 9 means 5 times. Means I times has to increment. Here, see this. CH plus plus how many times? If J is less than or equals to I times increment, guys. J is incrementing I times. See this. Now next time it won't, else decrement should come. What you have to do, guys? Print of percentile C. Simple logic. Percentile C. CH minus minus. Half times should increment, half times should decrement. Now see the answer. Yeah, now A, B, C, D, C, CH plus plus. J less than or equals to I. CH plus plus. CH equals to A value, right? Same CH value minus minus. Half times should increment, half times should decrement. Save once, guys. Save once and run. If I enter 10, we're getting still same output. Yes, what is the wrong here? No, no, same way. You can take a percentage C also, nothing will happen. Your J less than or equals to I. J is 1. J is 1, it has to increment. J is 2, it has to increment. J is 3, it has to increment. Two times it has to increment, guys. Two times it has to decrement. Okay, na? J less than or 2 into I minus 1. This is 2 into I minus 1 means I times J less than I. Can I write J less than I? Once I will check it. Yeah, see this. Just than I. A B A, A B C B A, A B C D C B A, A B C D, A B C D E, D C B A. Okay? This is output, guys. For example, 10 times. A B A, A B C B A, A B C D B A. Right? This is expected, right? This is expected output. Just less than is enough, guys. Completed, huh? Right, guys? Next. 1. Next one, guys. Next pattern.